All right, y'all, we are out here at the Tanner Shorter Car Show Fundraiser Memorial, and got our booth set up, but I thought I'd walk around and show y'all some of these cars. Man, there's some awesome looking rides here. And we have got pickups, hot rod pickups, little Fords, just a variety of different kinds of cars. There's one of my favorites, that Corvette right there. Y'all check that out. Got a little Triumph motorcycle to match it, trailer and all. Little Pontiac Firebird. Most people know Steve Earnhardt's 57 Chevy, that yellow one there. Man, we are got a whole array of cars. It's a big show, y'all. Let's see if we can get Cliff right here to tell us about his ride.
What do you say, Jack?
Not much. Cliff, tell us about your car.
1981 Buick Regal, 427 small block, 4-speed, Ford 9-inch.
Man, oh man. Y'all come out and check it out. He has done the work. It's beautiful inside and out. Got lots of juice under the hood. Thank you, Cliff. Lots and lots of nice ones. Got a couple hot rod pickups down here.
Yeah.
Crowd starting to build. We're gonna be here till around 2 o'clock. Y'all look at that Camaro right there. So we got the Hyde Mobile right here. Melissa's grinning. Ricky, tell us about your pickup, man. Well, tell us about the pickup.
Yeah.
Cause I was gonna tease you and say that ain't a 59.
No. It's a 93 454 SS with a Whipple Charger.
Yeah.
Plain little pickup.
He got it set up good, y'all. Y'all get out here and check these out. Pretty sweet. And like I said, we've got just an array of all kinds of vehicles out here. Look at that lowrider right beside jacked up Dodge. Makes the lowrider look a little lower. How are y'all? We got for him, seen this truck before at a different shows. Pretty cool pickup. Got all kinds out here. The Charger, Roadrunner it says. Got the Wiley code, he's set up to blow it up. Some more Mopar, that's a Chevelle there. Mr. Horsepower. It's 1964 Chevelle. Got some rat rods. Man, we got a grocery getter station wagon. Blazers, Mustangs, tow rigs. That fastback Mustang's pretty cool. More lowriders up here. The tow rig's got him an Indian motorcycle sitting on trailer behind it. Pretty neat. Hi guys. Beautiful car here. CAD. Beautiful. Lowrider 70 something. Chevy step side. Sunburst orange. That's the color we're gonna paint the 69, y'all. Just y'all check this out. I drove a, that looks like a 57, I'm guessing, but I drove a 59 Chevrolet Apache to high school. That's what it says, 57 Chevy. So y'all, mine was a flatbed, avocado green flatbed. Look what we got here, that's cool. Got an 80 something Chevy, dropped a little bit. I love that red. So this is pretty much a twin to my pickup, only it's way more done. And we're gonna put that sunburst orange on it. Got a Prowler out here. Got a Challenger 392 Hemi. Another 6772 Chevy. Got a couple more up here. Beautiful pickups. Got a later model Chevy crew cab jacked up. Some more 6772 and some at 64-ish, something like that. Corvette backing in beside it. Car's still coming, y'all. Another 6772. Man, I need to get my car done. Got a Chevelle or Malibu coming in behind it. Thunderbird. Yeah, and I'm gonna hit these old trucks up here. Give y'all a look at these. And then I'm gonna go to that back row. There's some awesome rides up here. There's another 50-something Apache, like I drove to high school. Mine paint job wasn't much better than that, y'all. Got a late model Camaro SS sitting beside a couple really sweet GTO Pontiacs. GTX there from the 60s. How are y'all?
Just fine. How are you?
Better than I deserve. There you go. An old Ford pickup they got dolled up and stickered up. Here's one on its way. Got a couple VW Bugs here. Go to church with these guys. Another grocery getter. Happen to know that guy. Some more 70 model Chevys and 6772. It's a lot like my 69. Got a little convertible Firebird there.
How are you?
Pretty cool. I'm good, man. How are you?
Doing good.
An old 55 or 56 Chevrolet. Another 80 something. Another old Chevy Bel Air. Got the bikini top Corvette. Got the 70s, I think. There's you an old station wagon. A little Triumph motorcycle there. Oh, look at that ride behind it. All right, they were making some announcements, so I stopped there, but let's get around this rest of these few more cars showing up. Here's an older model V8 Ford. Got a late model BMW. No, I don't know if he's even got any competition. He's the only one I've seen out here, and that looks like that. Got a Fairlane Ford, really neat looking little old car. Little Mustang Cobra 2. Thunderbird right beside it. Pretty cool looking Harley, and now we got some Camaros right here, y'all. I don't know if y'all know, but Camaros is what I like the most. There he is, Jamie Slate's little pony car right there.
He was talking about
pretty cool pavilion. They got silent auction, got Blackstone grills, they got jump starters, got a nice looking Stevens shotgun, tool carts, binoculars. Back in the back there, they got custom cornhole boards, a big Yeti cooler. There's all kinds of, got some art, tool kits, planter hangers, drills, soil plants. Got some tractor toys over here, a steel chainsaw, cordless little limb trimmer thing, that's cool, some ratchet wrenches. Come get your t-shirts up here. Got a freeze-dried candy package there. That's cool.
Mama showered. We
Then we got the M4 giveaway. This is a raffle, not one of the silent auction drawings. Y'all look at the trophies. Got all kinds of pretty cool trophies. Best 4x4, best paint, best import, best engine. Best of show is awesome back there in the back. Lots of different little categories here, top 30. Pretty neat, y'all. Kittyland is open down here too. The train's running. Tina McCord's driving the train. I don't know if that's open to the general public or that's just a birthday party, but they got it open. Y'all come out. I'm back at the booth now. Dina's working hard while I'm out making video. Doesn't she look pretty? I didn't make it around to all the booths. There's a lot of food trucks here and other booths and clothing. There's even some more freeze-dried candy up there. And then over here, right, a cornhole tournament. Winner takes half the purse, the way I understand it. So y'all come out, get in the cornhole tournament, check these cars out. Pick up some of that freeze-dried candy if you're interested. Shake our hands. We'd be glad to see you. It's for a good cause. And y'all, we got a special announcement. Probably gonna make that tonight. It's a big deal for the channel. And a couple of them actually. We got a lot going on. So God bless. We challenge y'all to go be a blessing for someone else.